Hey guys, this is Suzanne with Simple Homestead Living, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about making a parasitic with black walnut. Now it's not the nut that you use, it's the green hull. And you can see these are pretty green. There's no real much black on it. Some of them have several here. One or two of them may have a little spot like that, but you want the green hull. And I would suggest you do this with gloves. I'm out today and it'll probably be dark before I get home, so I wanted to show you how to do this. Like I say, put on gloves. Really, you want to put on gloves. But what you want to do is cut into the hull. I'll try not to hold this too much. But see this part? That's what you want. You want the outside hull. You don't want to get down to the meat part. The nut is in there. Hear it? But you want to just cut off and use an old knife. Try to keep it sharp if you can, because it will stain the knife too. You can see how it's on there. And I've already got some on my hands, and that'll be black. It will be really black. But anyway, this is what you want, these pieces like this. So peel off all of that hull off of the nut itself, and you can just toss the nut because that's not the part you want. This outer edge is what you want. See how we've done that? And then what you'll do is put this, once you get your pieces cut like this, I'm going to finish cutting up the rest of my nuts here. But what you'll do is you do want to put it in 190 proof. I buy the off-brand of Everclear. It's just as good. You can do a 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. A lot of people will do a 1 to 10. You'll put these in your jar, these pieces, not the nut. You'll just toss out the nut that's in there. But put this, measure this to find out how much you have. If you have 1 ounce of nut hull meat, the hull here, if you have 1 ounce, use 5 ounces of 190 proof. This is not a water soluble tincture, so you don't want to use 100 proof. You don't want to use 80 proof. You want to use 190 proof, and you won't add water to this. You'll just put this in your mason jar or whatever type of jar you have, a pint jar, whatever you're going to make. And remember, this is drop dosage, so you're taking 1 to 2 drops per week. Now I will add this to chicken water to feed the chickens or to water the chickens. I'll add this to my dog's water bowl, and usually I'll just give her a smaller bowl and put maybe 2 drops in it. What will do, enough water that'll do for say half the day, so that she can get a good dose of that, and do that about once a week. That's really all you need to do it. But it's a nice parasitic cleanse for both the chickens, dogs, and for yourself. So this is human. So this is for humans as well as for your animals too, to put in their water. Again, 1 or 2 drops once a week. I'm Suzanne with Simple Homestead Living, and take care of your parasites.